Today is February 22, 2025. It is currently 7 in the morning. We are here at McDonald's, Baguio Legarda, and we will watch the parade later.
Okay. Mga cellphone natin, mga valuables, MCC ka na po kayo. Correct. Last 30 seconds.
Happy Balagbana!
Ay, 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 ay.
Umida Japan. And of course, please do follow as well Pokaris Web Philippines on Facebook and Pokaris Web PH on Instagram. Okay, our first four. Okay, four. Okay, so okay guys, so ano? Go! Ay, no, na. Until, go na.
Go. You can do it.
Wow!
Pero kung maganda tugtog yun, hindi yun naalisan daw kahit malamig. Ito yung kanina na puno. Maganda yung tugtog na galing. Makalis ka lang. Kumakay sa wala sa ayaw.
Good morning. Good afternoon kami. Tumuyo kaming dalawa doon sa chair. Pagbaba ko, nasugsug ako. Ano? Ayoko na. Ayoko. Tapos po-post mo. Talagin mo sa life ni Marcos. Oh. Ayoko nga. Ayoko nga. Ayoko nga.
Eat breakfast and then we'll watch the parade.
Ayoko.
Today is February 21, 2021.
22 ngayon.
Parang may babalikan ka pag tumanda ka na. Papakita ko sa anak mo.
Kung buhay pa yung video. Sabihin mo ko siya na.
Go.
Today is February 22, 2025. It is currently 7 in the morning. We are here at McDonald's, Baguio Legarda, and we will watch the parade later.